Welcome. Today we'll be learning how to send email to multiple people. Okay, so today I will cover how you can send email to multiple email addresses. So let's get started. So I'll open the browser I want to use for this. I'll be using Chrome, so I'll double click on it for it to open. As the browser opens, just log into your email. Okay, so whether you are using Outlook or Gmail is the same thing, but in this tutorial I'll be using Gmail because that has the highest number of users globally. So I will sign into gmail.com. I am signed in automatically on this browser because this is the major browser I'm using to access my Gmail account. But in your own case, if you are not signed in automatically, just sign in using your email address and your password. So the next step I have to take is to click on Compose. Alright, in the to section, type the email addresses you want to send the email to one after the other. Alright, after typing the email address, you can see it shows up here. So tap on it for it to be assigned. Then the next is type the another email address you want the email to be sent to. Okay, I've inserted the second email, so I will tap on it for it to be placed. Then the next thing is to type the next email address you want the email to be sent to. Remember, this must not be Gmail email address. It can be Outlook, it can be Yahoo Mail, it can be any mail. So, and it will go through. So type as many emails as you want the mail to be communicated to. So in the subject section, just give the email a subject, an upcoming event. But okay, same event. Then in the body section, just compose a message about the email you are sending. Okay. After composing the mail, the next step you need to take is just to click on the send button and the email is sent to these multiple persons at a go, at once, and all of them will receive the email at once. Alright, these are just the steps you need to take and you're good to go. If you're using Gmail or using Outlook or you're using Yahoo Mail, any email service company, the process is the same. I hope this guide helps. Like and subscribe and see you next time.